Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account in 2024 and 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid online or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. PayPal has made some updates recently to improve security and speed, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on a secure device. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, usually found on the top menu. This is where you can see your available balance. Now, look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. It's pretty straightforward. Next, select Transfer to Bank Account. You'll be prompted to choose the bank account linked to your PayPal. If you haven't linked one yet, don't worry, there's an easy option to add it now. Just enter your bank's details, like the account number and routing number, and verify it if required. Pro tip: in 2024 and 2025, PayPal might ask for additional verification steps for security, so keep an eye out for that. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. PayPal charges a small fee for transfers, which could be around $1 to $5 depending on your location and bank. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and review the details one last time. After that, submit the transfer. The funds typically take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account, but with the latest updates, some instant transfers are available in select regions. Keep in mind that processing times can vary based on your bank and any holidays. And there you have it. That's how you easily move money from PayPal to your bank in 2024 and 2025. If you run into any issues, check PayPal's Help Center or contact support. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.